Good morning, vlog girl. Another day, another vlog. Don't mind this. We just awake, but we wake up in some cleaning mode. I know at Christmas time, everybody expect one Christmas video. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news. Well, let me get the more. I don't really celebrate. I don't feel the Christmas vibe. This is my Christmas. Right now, we are doing some thorough cleaning in our house. We are cleaning the living room, the bathroom, everything. I'm not going to journey with you. I'm probably not show everything where we are clean, but just know we are clean on the whole place in our Christmas time. You see me? She do out this full and start out the closet. And when we done in there, so I'm going to wipe out the whole house. You see me? So after that, I'm going to fall back to you. And then I'm going to know. We'll probably not get no vlog for the Christmas day. Depending on how much video I have for that vlog. I'm not going to do no quick cut. Like no herb and cut. I'm going to make this play out. So open to watch this because I noticed on YouTube during the holiday time people watch less video. That comes as a shock to me, but I'm true thing. So I'm waiting after the holiday if you drop that video I want to watch now. So if you know I watch this right now, it's out already. I know I wonder when I did them past couple of weeks from the year start to not see me. But I there now. I want to try to drop some longer vlog, longer content for you basically. Not just vlog alone, but more the movies, vlog, any little entertainment thing for you. I want to say big up everybody who support me from them time they till now. We in 2023, a new year, new time for elevate ourselves, new ways to make better opportunity for ourselves. I want to thank everybody who still support me, you see me? I have to make that video special or kick off the vlog that way, you see me? Christmas day, I never vlog for no. New Year's, I never vlog neither. But I wish everybody a past Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, because we in a new year now, and all of them things there. I take them time there for myself and me and F, my girlfriend, I take them time there, because we chill with our family them, plus my side of family them, Bingy side of family them. Remember, my mother and father, them not there up here. They are Jamaica. So, Bingy mother, I like my second mother. But what in store for Uno is just a bag of more content and thing. I try my best to give you as much content as possible. Sometimes I probably not get no vlog, but I try to do the everyday vlog. I just have to have content for post soon, you see me? I'm not gonna lie. It's not easy to make content, plus content where catch Uno eye, you see me? So, sometimes I stress about coming up with ideas soon because I'm here alone and I like it that way there. But we are working on it. I look like a crocodile, but I don't know a crocodile. But yeah, I have more content to come to now. And new music I forward to. New collabs. Alright, if you don't know nobody in a Fort Lauderdale alone with I love for me collab with, you can write them down here so. Write them name down here so for me go check them out. Or shop me a DM, you see me? For me go check out them work and thing. And again, I just want to say I really appreciate everybody who support the thing, you see me? That year I hope I can drop better content for Uno. I hope you continue to support me. Last year 2022, the rough for everybody, I'm sure of that. For me it was. From the middle to start, it is rough. But we overcome all obstacles that we're there now. So this is my New Year's blessings to everybody right now who are watching this. Go back to the regular schedule as in vlogging. So you're not going to see me more often now. I just disappear for them last week, you know? I'm back again. What's going on? I'm in my room still, but I'm by the window, you know? I'm open the window. I get some fresh air in. And this girl want trouble me right now. That's why I turn on the camera really, you know. I'm never supposed to start vlogging, but she there. Me show you, you know, stop ramping me. So, she a try hook me like a fish with the hanger or something. Go and go beat now? Don't do that. Right now, we just left in Bravo's supermarket and I go Dollar Tree for a leash, for Haze. This nigga bite up him leash. So, we there pull out. Today, I go cook food now. Probably chef up some different meals and video it. Like what I do with the cabbage and thing. It cool over here Florida. Like when I say cool, it cool like a New York me day. Me need a jacket. See a white man there in our next jacket. Me need a next jacket half of me and this. I not like how Florida moves, so I left New York for nothing. You see me? But we got Dollar Tree right now, go buy a leash. I will journey with me as you do it for the vlog. Wait, I think I wrong. I'm go that way there. So vlog world, we reaching a Publix right now. We left certain goods that we did for buy at the other supermarket. So I come back in here so come buy some grocery. I'm gonna book up a couple of fans. In here. One guy actually. He take a picture with me so his wife. I want big fun and she and I she never want come inside. So we are going to cash here too far. So yeah vlog world. Right now, you know I watch a vlog and a vlog I go be kinda calm. I know like with couple days ago we pass. As me that say. This week I come, you know I go get vlog. You see me? I'm back on my shit again. I take a little break now, I'm back again. You see me? As you know, my girlfriend there with me. She work again and thing. But this week I try to challenge myself to drop a little comedy video on Instagram every day. You see me? I see Dale. I do stand up now. Dale, big up yourself. I see I do stand up now. I need me to talk about it still. I go do stand up too, so you can look out for that. I have a lot for 2023. But I don't want to tell you no. I want to just do them and then you see them in a vlog. But I don't want to tell you no. You know when you start the thing and it not end up follow through. This year everything I go follow through when I tell you, know. But I just go and hold it down for you. But I go do stand up. I have a couple bad tune I drop with features. Some bad artists, so you know I go expect. Music video them I go drop for sure. I try to shoot a music video if not this week. Next week, you see me? So now I get that vlog on Monday. So if another week, yeah, I probably the next week, I try shoot a music video for one song I want to drop this month. In January. If me not drop that music video for it in January, me not about to drop that song. That song I want to hear it, but it a work on right now in a mixing process and all of that. But I want to shoot the video feed as me get the mixed version. I shoot the video feed. My girlfriend over her brother right now. I just run come pick up some things and I go back home. And yeah, probably cook some food, or if I go cook some food, we're not gonna know. So just go and follow through this week. Wanna make me know if you don't have nobody who know want me collab with in Florida. Write them name in the comment section or tell them DM me. You see me, I try to shoot some content this week for sure. Short film, comedy video. I may have a movie I work on, so no look out for that too. I have a bad piece of movie I work on. So no just look out for a bag of things. But for sure, some stand-up comedy show will come out with me. Look out for that too. So go and do it for vlog. Bob, FIFA Sunday, we're back again. Meds, go cool. See to me and a Rasta? I fuck up. But FIFA Sunday I go on. Marvin and GX are play. I guess Marvin a lead, right? But that game are kinda close. Marvin a 4, GX a 3. Bingina play this week. He must sit out this week. You know? Me too. You know the professionals them have to sit out once in a while. Chill, me tell me people when me I tell them my youth they move so. Me life is YouTube, but YouTube me a life. So me and mate have to sit out this week. Me, you and famous. Sorry, Booba. Me, you and famous have to sit out this week. Because you know you're professional, so you left it to you rookie them for. It's a goal that for you rookie them play, you see me? So we just there here as spectators for this week, FIFA Sunday. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, so after all of that, we clean up in here. Today we're gonna do some steamed fish and crackers, you see me? I'm preparing this dish for her, you see me? And thing. So I'm gonna stay tuned. We're gonna do it for the vlog. So go and mad up on yourself. High five. So vlog girl. Ooh shoot. This is it. Oh my god. I don't know if I smell it right now. Don't lie, it smells good right now. I lie?
It does smell good.
Oh, see pepper right there. Jesus. We're about to consume this, so soon come back. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we just done shell the pot. Steamed fish and crackers. And we're about to call it a night. the vlog I did probably longer and we'll cut it shorter for Uno. So I dash you some video when I did video before. So I probably I cut up this and get to current time. So Uno now watch a vlog yeah, probably Monday the 9th. You see me? So go and check in tomorrow again. I try to drop a next vlog. I try to shoot some content. Monday we are gonna find something to do. And thing and thing. Huh?
You're gonna put the workout in the vlog?
Workout?
Mm-hmm.
Man, no, I got a gym now, guys. I forgot to tell you now. I can start got a gym now with her. So, I got a gym Monday morning.
Yep.
So that I want vlog for you know. And yeah, your belly full?
Yep, I'm ready to sleep now.
I'm show you, I can't, everybody want me show now. So I'm going to show her. You enjoy your food?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I know you liked it, right?
I did, it was good.
Alright,
With the crackers.
You ready for your gym in the morning?
I'm ready, but I don't want to wake up that early.
You want to go wake up early?
Yeah.
You ready for a new challenge?
I can't see your face.
Oh. So, when you can't say me never show no her, when you get to see her, you see me? Probably tomorrow I show more and more as we go along. But now if I watch a vlog, I want to drop some content. So, if you know actor again in a Fort Lauderdale and want to reach out to me, I can put together something for you know. Or show it up on my YouTube and we work, you see me? Just let me know. But, we are going to end the vlog right so I prepare myself. I forgot my bed early tonight. Cause we are going to gym in the morning. My belly I get big guys, I not lie. When you know me, I always have 6 pack it gone now. I cook 2 regular. We eat three times a day. She eat 3 times a day. I lie?
5 pounds.
3 times a day.
Here.
From she there, I feed her. So she can't, no man not do this here. So I not feed her if no man come fuck.
Hey.
I not do that. But from she there, she don't miss a meal.
Right. That's
3 times a day she eat. You see me? And then when me da live by myself, I never eat that much.
It's not my fault. You can limit yourself. You have self-control.
My belly I get big. But remember guys, me have something I work on for Uno. I have a comedy show I come up I work on. Think I'm gonna put on a show. My personal stand-up comedy show. I'm gonna forward out. And yeah, me have a lot in store. I don't want to just start more show no, but hopefully Monday I can set up something. Get to shoot something. Or me get to watch it during the following week, you see me? But go and stay tuned, we do it for your vlog. And she have work tomorrow too. So she going back to work tomorrow. And thing. So no stay tuned. I'm going to show you more in my life now. And be more one-on-one with you know. So yeah, 2023, I'm just going to stay safe. And we're back again. I'm a thing.